Okay, YouTube, got a quick video. Hope this is a quick video. This is the 2011 Kia Sorento. I changed the alternator on this car before, and the last time I done it, I went through the bottom. You're removing the air compressor, the side plastic, which is right there. Removing the tire, uh, bringing the alternator. You see, I got the alternator out. Bringing the alternator through the side by the tire. So anyway, this time I didn't do that. I just went on ahead and tried something. I said, let me try doing this here. I removed the power steering pump. You ain't got to disconnect no hoses or anything, so you won't have anything leaking. I there's a bracket that go right here. Where that bracket at? That bracket is right there. There's the little bracket there. So that bracket holds the power steering pump reservoir. So I removed that so I won't be scraping up my arms or anything like that. Anyway, also the power steering pump, I don't know if y'all changed the power steering pump on the on a Kia before, Kia, Hyundai, what have you. But there are 3 bolts. You got 2 short ones, and you got 1 long one. The long one, let's see here. So the long one go at the bottom here. Matter of fact, let's see here. That long one go right through there. Okay, of course, you're taking them out. I'm trying to do this light here. I ain't never done nothing at night like this. But anyway, as far as the video, the 3 bolts, you're gonna take them out through the holes here. Rotate this here, the pulley to get to each bolt. And like I said, you got 3. One here at the top, one on the side right here, and of course the other one is at the bottom, which is the longer one. The longer one is at the bottom. 2 short ones up top because they screw into the pump. The bottom one don't. It goes through the pump, and that's where the threads are at in the back. The threads for the 2 short bolts are on the pump itself. So anyway, let's get right to it. Like I say, I took the alternator out from the top. It came right on out. Took a little maneuvering, turning it around, flipping it, what have you, and I just brought it right on up top. I had to kind of push this out the way just a little bit, not much, but anyway, it came right at the top. There's the alternator right there, full of oil. She has an oil leak, so we got to find out where this oil is coming from, because that's what probably messed up the alternator with all that oil all over it. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's all over the place. So most likely that's what probably caused the alternator to go bad. I don't know if y'all know that, but if you got an oil leak and it's leaking on that alternator, it will tear that alternator up. So anyway, I think that's about it. Oh, and yes, I did have to lift the engine up to get the top bolt off the alternator, because that top bolt, when you're trying to take it out, it's gonna hit right here. So of course you need to raise the engine up a little bit. You just loosen up this bolt for the motor mount. You don't have to take it off, just loosen it up and just lift up the engine from the bottom with a piece of wood on the oil pan, and you good to go. But anyway, I'm about to get this new one back in here. This was a whole lot quicker than me taking all that other stuff loose. Anyway, YouTube, thank you. Hey YouTube, this is a recap on this 2011 Kia Sorento. The alternator, you can see that the alternator is in. I did it from the top. But there's 2 things I want to show you here. Let's see, 2 things. I had a hard time getting that out. The hardest part was prying the alternator out. Everything else was easy. So, show you what I did as far as getting that old alternator out of there. What I did, I took a long crowbar and I put it like right here. Let's see. So y'all can get a better shot there. This pump, is over there. So I put that pry bar right there. I put the pry bar right there, and I hit it with a hammer. Okay, let's see, get a better shot. I put it right up in there, and I hit it with a hammer, and it came right on out of there. Let's see, I'm trying to get a real good shot here, and it came right on out of there. Now, one other thing, when I was putting it in, for some reason, I had a little trouble getting it past this thing here when I was pushing it back up. It came right on out for some reason, but I don't know, maybe something I was doing wrong to get it back up in there. But what I did was, there's 2 screws here, one there and one here. Just move that, just take these, as long as you don't take this loose. But just take these 2 screws out, and it give you a little bit more room. This here will be out your way, and that's where you can get it up in there and take care of the, whatever the rest of the stuff that you have to finish up on. But anyway, that's another tip on installing this alternator from the top and not the bottom.